Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to repaint your aquarium stand. This stand I bought from PetSmart. It was on sale and I purchased it for $146. In my previous video I was assembling it, and right now I don't like the color and I want to paint it in white. First of all, what I need to do is to degloss it because it is laminate aquarium stand, and I'm gonna be using this deglosser for this job. So I'm taking all the doors, all of the hardware, and preparing the surface. So this is paint I chose, and it is good for this type of material. So this is paint for plastic. I chose Southern White, and I'm gonna be painting my aquarium. And now I'm applying the first coat of paint. It is time to paint parts such as shelves and doors. And this paint takes about 4 hours to dry. And after 4 hours we can apply the second coat of paint. So now we can start painting parts of the aquarium. So now I have to prepare the aquarium because I'm gonna be painting all of the plastic parts. And now this tank is ready for paint. Now it is time to paint the background. For the background I chose Glass Baby Blue, and this paint is good for any surface. This is the final result, and I really like the color. Now I have to remove all of the painter's tape. In my opinion, this tank looks much better right now in white. And now I need to apply the final third coat of paint. Now I need to assemble two hoods for my fish tank, and as you can see, everything looks awesome. So this is final result. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.